Hey guys, welcome to Moonshot Money. To answer the question, is it time to sell Palantir? The answer is no. Didn't want you to think the thumbnail was clickbait, but a lot of people are concerned in asking the question. In this video, we're going to calm your nerves and try to help you understand the price decline and what we expect moving forward. We are not, let me repeat, not selling any Palantir. I'm Chase and this is the Moonshot Money channel. Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. It's safe to say that growth stocks and innovation have rotated out of favor. The question is why? There have been a shift in macroeconomic conditions for the foreseeable future. Comments and transcripts from the Federal Reserve's meeting in December indicated that the central bank plans to significantly reduce bond purchases and raise interest rates multiple times this year. The Fed may also reduce its holdings in Treasury bonds and mortgage-backed securities. The U.S. 10-year Treasury bond yield also hit a two-year high of 1.8%. All this new information shifted sentiment away from growth and innovation stocks. Rising bond yields mean that the investors can get better returns with much less risk. When interest rates go up, it's more expensive for companies to borrow money and fund their growth. The Palantir stock price has fallen over 30% in the last 12 months and around 60% from its highs in late January and February. Our average cost is $15.22 per share, so we're actually still in positive territory. This on-sale price, near our average cost, has us very close to adding more shares. We've been fans of the Palantir business model and software since the direct listing in October of 2020. There's no real significant news that suggests Palantir's stock price should be slashed so drastically. This is a classic case of the company being healthy, but the stock price being sick for other reasons. Palantir has a market capitalization of roughly $34 billion and is valued at approximately 16 to 17 times this year's expected sales. On the other hand, the company has built an intriguing position in the data analytics service industry, as we've talked about in so many other videos, and Palantir anticipates being able to grow sales at a greater than 30% annual rate through 2025. All of these are signs of a very healthy company. The leadership is also brilliant and trusted. The U.S. government has also invested much of its national security into Palantir's software products. As the quarters and years go by, we're going to look back at opportunities like this as a gift. A huge clue pointing to a long-term health of Palantir is the continued increase in institutional ownership. Wall Street's funds have continued to buy as price has fallen. As retail investors feel squeezed and become nervous, smart money is loading the boat. That's so big. Google that and check us on it. By the way, this Friday we'll be posting our second weekly roundup video where all three of us share what we've been doing in our investments this week. This will actually be our 100th video. Pretty cool. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. We'd love to have you subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up down below. So Cathie Wood continues to buy Palantir. She comfortably continues to buy because she's constantly monitoring the health of her investments with her team of analysts. For those of you who are invested in ARK funds or growth in tech stocks in general, let me suggest that you watch the latest installment of In the Know with Cathie Wood here on YouTube. The video was posted on January the 8th, and we believe it will help calm your nerves. She believes innovation is in deep value territory. Stocks go up and stocks go down. If your livelihood depends on your investment account, you shouldn't be all in on growth in tech anyway. If you have the time to let it grow, it's still full speed ahead on Palantir. If Cathie Wood didn't calm your nerves, listen to the man himself, Palantir CEO Alex Karp, as he explains.
There are many insights, indeed some secrets that have powered Palantir and got us from a company that in the beginning no one would believe would succeed because we were heavily focused on strengthening the West through a near fanatical fixation on data integration and data protection. When we transferred to the commercial world, people didn't believe that would succeed because there's no history of anybody going from government to commercial. When we became a global company, people didn't believe that would succeed because typically companies that start in the American government or in America do not succeed or thrive abroad. When we went and did our DPO, people thought we should IPO because that is the best and quickest way to transfer money to Wall Street. But we believed we should be focused on allowing the average person to participate and therefore absorb that risk. And now, as we've had a pretty sublime year based on any conventional metric, And as you've seen the results, we want to underscore this relentless focus, what you could call an inside secret, what should be a banality of business, of a long-term focus on the health of what we believe is and will continue to be one of and will become the most important software business in the world. And to do that, we're providing long-term guidance, pretty radical in the sense that we are committing to keeping a growth threshold of above 30% for the next 5 years, but not focused on the day-to-day, quarter-to-quarter, near-term focus that quite frankly destroys businesses, is one of the main reasons why so many of our businesses, especially in tech, are actually only serving Wall Street and not serving their clients, and not serving everyday investor, and generate suboptimal returns over time because they too are a lagging indicator of the suboptimal performance, near-term myopicism of running a business. And at Palantir, obviously, we have rejected this in every way, both from the way we've produced software, from the way we interact with clients, from the bets we've made that tend to be bets that come to fruition years after very, very significant investment.
Well, there you have it. We are still all in on Palantir, and we will be for a very long time. Earn more, save more, invest more, and give much more. And remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you on the moon.